Hello guys, in this video we will see how to complete the glass jellyfish quest in Once Human. It's a really easy process, so make sure you watch till the end. The first step is to interact with the glass jellyfish located on the south side of Rippleby. So that's the first step. Then you need to find the wind turbine and take a picture of the glass jellyfish. That's the next step. Then what you need to do is you need to find the scarecrow and take a picture of the glass jellyfish. So the scarecrow is located on the west side of Rippleby, so by the market workshop right here. Then you need to find the bonfire on the roof, and once again you need to take a picture of the glass jellyfish, so right there. And finally you need to find the gravestone and take a picture of the glass jellyfish located here. So that's basically it for today's video. That was a complete guide of the glass jellyfish quests. I hope it was useful, and thanks for watching.